Cacao and caffeine. Is there a limit?
Hello everyone. Today we're tackling a fascinating topic, cacao and caffeine. More specifically, we're going to answer the intriguing question, can eating too much cacao lead to caffeine overdose?
What is cacao?
Cacao is a type of tropical tree that produces cacao pods. These pods contain seeds, also known as cacao beans, which are used to create chocolate and other cacao products. Cacao is known to contain a small amount of caffeine.
How much caffeine is in cacao?
Now, let's talk about the caffeine content in cacao. Although cacao does contain caffeine, it's in significantly smaller amounts compared to, say, coffee or tea. For instance, a typical dark chocolate bar, which is made from cacao, contains about 20 milligrams of caffeine. To put this in perspective, an average cup of coffee contains around 95 milligrams of caffeine.
What constitutes a caffeine overdose?
Let's talk about caffeine overdose. It might surprise you, but yes, it is possible to overdose on caffeine. The exact amount varies from person to person, but generally, consuming more than 400 milligrams of caffeine a day is considered to be too much for most adults.
Can you overdose on caffeine by eating too much cacao?
Given that a typical dark chocolate bar has around 20 milligrams of caffeine, you would have to consume about 20 bars of chocolate to reach the daily caffeine limit for most adults. While this is not impossible, it's highly unlikely. And remember, your body will likely react to the large amount of sugar and fat in the chocolate before you come close to a caffeine overdose. That being said, if you consume cacao in a more concentrated form, like cacao powder, the caffeine content will be higher. However, you would still need to consume a large amount to reach dangerous levels of caffeine. In conclusion, while cacao does contain caffeine, you're unlikely to experience a caffeine overdose from eating cacao or chocolate alone. However, as with everything, moderation is key. Enjoy your chocolate, but remember to balance it with a healthy and varied diet. Until next time, stay curious and keep asking questions.